Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for law firm. Why lead management and tracking is important for law firms. When it comes to law firm marketing, lead generation often takes center stage. After all, a law firm can't hope to achieve any sort of sustainable growth without a steady stream of legal leads. Law firm lead management tips for higher conversions, where lead management fits in with standard marketing tactics. The role of standard marketing tactics, such as pay-per-click ads, content marketing, social media advertising, is to bring potential clients to your front door. The role of lead management, on the other hand, is to warmly greet them and welcome them in, increasing the chances of those leads becoming paying customers. Drive more conversions with law firm lead management. Your law firm is only as strong as your lead management. Before allocating more time and resources to lead generation, take an inventory of your lead management system and see whether there are any gaps you can improve. We're better together. If your business relies on quality customer conversations, you need CallRail. Match inbound calls, text, forms, and live chats to your marketing campaigns to finally learn what's working and what's not. Here are 3 ways we can grow together: affiliate partnership, agency partnership, technology partnership. Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. 10 local numbers, 1,000 form submissions, 10,000 transcription minutes, unlimited soft phone minutes, unlimited SMS text messages. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.